Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you a very useful tip in Excel, how to fill hundreds of thousands of cells in a few seconds. This is very important thing to know if you have many records in an Excel sheet. That could be a database, that could be an inventory list, which are imported from any software, and you have to give numbers for them. And you maybe you think you can do like this. You can type 1 and 2, initial 2 number over here, and highlight both of them, and from the fill handler right over here, click and drag it down. Maybe you can you think you will do like this, and let's continue it and drag it down all the way down and all the way down. So if you have a few records, you can do like this, but if you have more records, many records, like 100,000 records, 200,000 records, 1 million records, but it will take more time, lots of time. Here is how you can fill hundreds of thousands of numbers in a few seconds. Type 1 in cell A1 and highlight it. Go to home on the menu bar, click on it, and on the right hand side in the editing section, click on fill and click on the series, and the series dialog box will come, and in the series in, choose columns. If you choose column, it goes top to down. If you choose rows, it will go left to right. I choose columns and keep linear in the type section, and step value 1, that is the number that I want to increase each cell by, and stop value 100,000. If you increase by 10, like 10, 20, 30, 40, you can write it here 10, but now I want 1, and click on OK. Now you can see numbers are already filled over here. If you want to quickly go down to the last cell, you can press Ctrl key on your keyboard and down arrow. Now you can see here 100,000 numbers are already filled in a few seconds. This way you can use a fill command in a Excel to fill hundreds of thousands of cells in a few seconds. If you find this video useful, please do click on like button and consider subscribing. Thank you.